steam oven is really simple. It produces steam. And there are a number of ways that it does it. This one has to be piped in. It could be freestanding with a little well to produce steam. There's a number of ways that steam can be produced. This one is a powerful convection steamer. It produces convected steam, which is forced steam that cooks beautifully, steams beautifully, penetrates very nicely, and gives you a great finish. But steam is steam to a point. This one, you don't have to worry about filling a cup with moisture. This one will be delivering steam constantly. The goal with steam is to be consistent so that your times are available. You know how a product finishes correctly, delivering the correct amount of steam. The versatility of the steamer is what I choose it for. The ability to do rices, and pastas, and vegetables, and fish, and so many more things with the moisture that steam will deliver and the quality that it delivers and the flavors that it delivers. It's a very clean way to cook. It develops beautiful flavors and it's consistent. That's why I choose a steamer. People ask me, what the heck is a Combi oven? And it's really simple. It's a combination of steam, convected air, or both to cook products correctly and consistently using a computer-driven system to guarantee delivery of the same product every time without change. Now, this unit here delivers up to 100% moisture in the cavity and up to 100% fan and temperatures up to 650 degrees. So you can combine anywhere you want to and deliver moisture at any time within the cook cycle, or convected air during the cycle, or the amount of convected air you want during the cycle to produce exactly what you want every time from the oven. It takes away the operator problem of, I think I'll do it this time one way and I'll do it another time another way. You push the button, it says roast beef, you push it, put the product in, you're done. That's how convection and Combi and steam works with a Combi oven. Why would I choose the expense of a Combi oven over a convection oven or others? Just ask a chef and he'll tell you. The ability to do anything from a custard and not sealing the top to doing a beautiful souffle without causing it to fall, to roasting of beefs with moisture added so your shrink is far lower, to the ability to brown product, drop the temperature and slow cook for hours to produce great tender product like, a beautiful pork butt in here. Carnitas is beautiful in this oven with the ability to recirculate the orange and the cinnamon and the like as it recirculates the moisture in the oven. This is where you want to be if you're a real pro at cooking products, whether it be beefs, baking, custards, wherever you want to take it, this product will do it for you and simply.